This is a brief video on how to use Hardware 2.0 to render scenes inside of Maya 2019. I've got my model set up the way I want, and I've introduced a spotlight. It's a little different with this, where we set our light intensity much lower than we would have with Arnold, and then we have to open up the Shadow tab. And in the Shadow tab, we have to make sure Use Depth Map Shadow is checked off. The higher the resolution, the crisper the edges of the shadow will be. I'm going to go up to the top of the user interface now, and I'm going to click on the blank Hollywood clapboard, and it's going to give me my render view. And in the render view, I'm going to change it from Arnold or Maya Software to Maya Hardware 2.0. And then I'm going to click and turn off the sRGB gamma. And that's an accurate picture of what your viewport will look like based on the lights that are in there. Now, what I would need to do to adjust this, it doesn't adjust virtually as the Arnold render does, but what we can do is go in and say change the intensity. And then I can click on the same Hollywood clapboard icon in the viewport itself, and it'll update for me. So you don't have to close out the window and bring it back up again. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to go to File, Save Image, and I'll make a test render. And I've chosen JPEG format. And once I open the test render, I can see the accuracy of the render compared to the render window itself.